Hello and welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by on my YouTube channel, I want to specially say welcome to you. Do well to hit on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon so you always get notified when I put out good, amazing videos like this. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design your e-commerce website on Vepaar using your mobile phone, that is using the mobile app. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the Vepaar app. If you're using iOS, you go to your app store, download the Vepaar app. So once you're done downloading that, then we are going into the tutorial. So here is my own app. Okay, it's right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and then we get into this interface. So because if you already have an account, you can just put your email address and then your password and click on login. If you don't have an account, then you click on create account. So I'm going to click on create account for the purpose of this tutorial. So I will teach you exactly how to do this from start to finish. So click on create account, and then you get yourself in here where you have to enter your name, and then enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, you enter your password, and then you click on create account here. Okay, so once we have done that, you're going to get yourself into an interface like this, and right in here you are expected to put your business name, the about of your business, your country, and then your currency. So I'm just going to go on and put my business name. My business name is my name, Amara Igbokwe. Okay, so what is my business description? I help creative individuals build wealth and impact through their knowledge. Okay, so once you have entered your business description, you come down here to choose your country. My country is Nigeria. It's selected already for me, so you just have to choose your country wherever you are from. Then in here, I'm going to choose my currency. Is already here, Nigerian naira. So choose your own currency depending on where you are or the country you are from, and then you click on continue. So I just clicked on continue. So here I am asked to add my cover photo and then my logo. Okay, and then I click on finish. So let me just add any image, my cover photo. I'll just add any image at all. So let me just go with this. I will say this is my cover photo, and then I click on here. It has entered, and then I'll add my logo here. So I'll just click here and add something else again as my logo. Let me say this is my logo, and then I'll ensure that it has fitted in the way I want it, and then I click here, and you see this is it. My store is almost ready. So once you have added your logo and your cover photo, you click on finish. Now you can see here that a message. We've sent you an email on business on my email address to verify your account. If you've not received it, tap resend to request verification email again. So I guess that email must have come in. So let me quickly go and confirm the email. So you too, you should also confirm the email. So I'll click on OK. Right here in my inbox, this is the email they have sent to me. So I'll just click on it and then verify. So I click on it and click on activate my account. So I click on activate my account and that is it. When you activate your account, it might take you to the web version. So I'm not working with the web version now. So you have to just go away from the web version and go back to the app, which is what we are working with. So right here inside the app right now, you'll be asked, help us to know you better. What feature do you intend to use? What feature do you intend to use? You can choose as many as you like. You can choose to use poll. You can choose to use the store. You can choose to use CRM. Okay. Well, for me, all I use is the store. You can choose this. You can choose this, but I am choosing the store right now. Or you can even skip this here. You can click here to skip if you want to skip. So whichever one you want to do is left for you. So you click on continue. Now you have to choose the type or how many persons you have in your business. Are you a one-man army? Are you a startup or micro company of 1 to 10 employees? Are you this or that? So I'll just choose a one-man army. Remember, you can also skip this thing, skip this whole phase. So let me just click here, continue. Then choose your business category. Are you under education, cafe, restaurant, healthcare, software, tourism, real estate, fruits, vegetables? You might not necessarily see the direct thing you do here. So you just choose something that is related to what you do. Okay, so you just choose something related to what you do. So I'll just click on others here and then click on finish. So we are right into the store now. Unlike the web version, the app version is quite different and easier for you to set up anyways. So right here you see information. This has to do with everything about your business, the information area. Then where you add your numbers, your WhatsApp number and all of that. Then you add your social links here and any other links that you will want to add, maybe your special website link or any of that. And you can also add your domain here, but I wouldn't be teaching you how to add a domain from this place. I'll record a separate video from that to show you how to add your own domain. That is, if you have a domain that you've bought from a domain host website. If you have any domain, you can add it up to this website. Okay, so I click on info now. And under here you are going to, we have already added our profile image, the one we added earlier, and then the cover image is here. My business name is here already, the one we added at the beginning. Now this is the my business about. Okay, so this is the business language. I'll choose English. I'll change this automatic to English. And then address, I'll put my address here, Enugu, Nigeria. I like putting it this way. I like seeing it appear this way in the store. And then once all these things are true and okay, you click on save. And this is it. Your info has been successfully updated. Now you click on here to go back. And then we enter the numbers here. This is where you enter your numbers. It says you haven't added any numbers yet. Tap on the plus sign. That is it. This is the plus sign here. So I click on the plus sign and then I add my WhatsApp number. So first of all, you have to choose your country code. My country code is Nigeria, and then here I add my WhatsApp number. And then once you have done this, it says turn off if you want to disable this number on your business. I don't want to disable it, but whenever you want to disable it, you can always come here and turn off. So I'll just click here to turn this on, and then click on add. Automatically my WhatsApp number adds. So you can add as many WhatsApp number as you want. So I can still click here and add another one, but I'm not going to do that right now. So I'll just go back, and then we come to here, social links. Here is where you add your social links. You click on here to add all the social links you have: Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and all of that. So you still come down here and click on the plus sign, and then here you select the platform you want. There are many platforms here. Facebook is here, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, a whole lot of them. So just click on any one. Let me select Facebook now. I click Facebook, and then you should enter the URL of your Facebook. So let me just put in mine. Before now, you should copy the URL, okay? So I'll just type in mine. So right now I've added my Facebook URL. I'll just click on create here to add it. And then if you want to add another social link, you click on this plus sign and follow the same procedure. Select the platform. Okay, if you want to add, you can also add WhatsApp. Just put your WhatsApp URL here. I will also upload a video that will show you how to create a WhatsApp URL. So watch out and keep your eyes on this page. So once you add that, you click here to create. All right, so you can add as many as you want. Now let's go to the links here. Under the links here, we click on it. Under here, you can add your external links, any additional links you have, maybe a link to your website, or a link to a landing page, or a link to your blog, or any special link you have. Just put the title of the link, maybe join my email list, and then put the URL of your email. You can also add a description and then create. You can also add an emoji, okay? You can also add an emoji to the here. So just put the title. You can say join my YouTube channel, or join my Telegram channel, or join my blog. Then you put the URL and the description, just like that. So I'm not adding any link now. Let's go back. So for domain, let me show you. So if you already have your own domain, maybe a domain you bought from somewhere, you can toggle this on. So once you toggle this on, it simply means that you are going to set up the domain. You will just go to your domain hosting site where you bought your domain from, and you are going to copy some things from there and copy some things from here and add to that place. All right, and then you should fill out here and fill out here, and then click on save. So you are going to configure this. If you bought a domain somewhere, that means you're going to copy out some of these things. When you go into that your host area, you should set up the a record in your domain's host area, and then also your domain.com is what you should add there. Answer points, you should put in this number. Then TTL, you should put in this number. You might not understand what I'm saying, but don't worry, I might record a separate video to show you how this is done. Okay, so if you don't have a domain name that you've gotten or that you've bought, just leave this. Okay, leave this, do not toggle on it, and then come here, just leave this one, and then come to the second part and click. All right, so here you don't have a domain yet. You can make your business page and store live with our domain. So you just have to enter the name that you want to bear. Let's say for instance I want to bear Igbokwe. You can just put your business name, whatever it is that you want to answer. The only thing with this domain that it will end with what.biz, what.bz, what.bz. So even if your name comes first, it's going to end with this. But if you have your own domain, it will end with .com, whatever domain you have. So I just put in this now, Igbokwe. Let's know if it will go. Then you click on save. And when you're typing your name in here, you don't have to space it. You should type it in together. And then you click on save. So it has been successfully updated. Alright. So I've successfully added my own domain. And I'm going to go back. Now, if you look up here, you are going to see that my link, website link or store link is ready. I can share it if I want to, but then let's continue. So the next phase you're going to see is the CRM. Now, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. These are tools that help you to organize and access customers' data. Okay, your customers' data. That is the CRM, Customer Relationship Management. These are different tools that help you organize your customers and access their data. So here you have contacts. Okay, you have add contacts. You can add contacts. You can put up quick replies. You can put up your funnels here, the way you, how many customers you get in, and the way you interact with them. You can tag your customers, whether they are new customers or they are old customers. You can use this. I'm not even going to talk about this CRM because I don't use it. The only thing I use this for is for the store purpose. Okay, so this CRM, if you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it, but I don't use it. This is Customer Relationship Management, how you manage the data of all your customers and be able to access it. All right, so let's get into the store area now. This is where we get to design our store. So the first thing you're going to work on is your dashboard. So we click on dashboard area here. And then under dashboard, you'll be able to see all the orders. Okay, so if anyone has gone to your store to make orders, you're going to see them here. And then you're going to see how much you have made from your store. And then you're going to see the average order, total items you have sold. You're going to see the ones that we are not paid for. You're going to see the ones that was paid for. You're going to see the refund. And then you're going to see the order status, the one that has been opened, the one that is processing, the one that has been shipped, the one that has been delivered, the one that is returned, the one that is closed, the one that is cancelled. Maybe your customers are trying to place order and they cancel it. So this is where you see all the information about everything that happens in your store. So let's go back now. And then when you click on orders, under orders, you're going to see all your orders. So there are no orders yet because we're still creating this. And then here we click on products. You haven't added any product categories. Let's first add a category. So let's go back. This is the category. I think this should come before this. You should first of all create categories before you go on to create products. Okay, so we are just going to click on categories now. So under categories, you are seeing no categories found. Type on the plus icon to add one. So we type here. Now, what is the name of your category? Let me explain what category is. Category is where you differentiate different products that you sell. For instance, if you are into fashion and you sell wristwatches, you sell men's wears, you sell female wears, you sell gown, you sell trousers. So you're going to create different categories for this. It's just like a physical supermarket. When you enter there, you're going to see different categories or different sections. This part you see beverages. This part you're going to see cosmetics. This part you're going to see other things. So that is the same way these categories aspect work. So you're going to create different categories for different products you have. If you're into digital products, you have books, you have video courses, you have audio courses, you also create their different categories. If you are into physical products, you have female gowns, you have bags, you have wristwatches. Just create different categories for them. So let me name my category. Let's say I am into digital products, so this category is for books. All right, so let me just put book and then click here to activate it and create. So once you have created, you can still click here to add another category. Let's say another category is video courses. Video courses. Then I click on create. So let me assume I also sell wristwatches. So I just click here again and create it for wristwatches. Okay. So I say this is wristwatch and I create. So this is how you go on and add all the different categories that you want to add. You can go on and add all of them. And notice that any category that you add last is what we show at the top. Okay, so depending on how you want these things to appear, or depending on the first product you want your customers to see once they come to your store. So any category you add last is what will come or pop up at the top. So right now we are going to move on to products. Now I'm going to click on products here to start adding products to those categories. So you click on products. Now, oh, you haven't added any product in this category. So which category do you want to add a product to? Is it wristwatch? Is it video courses? Is it ebook? Is it books? So you just have to select the category you want to add your products to. So let me take, for instance, I want to add a product to wristwatch. Okay, video course, because I don't have any image for wristwatch. So once you click on that particular category, you come here and click add product. Okay, so it says simple recommended when a product is unique and does not offer varieties. Example, real estate properties, unique jewelry paintings. Variables recommended when a product is available in different size, color or measurement. So I will always go with simple. If you go with this, that means each product you upload, you're going to choose the size, you're going to choose the color and all of that. It's going to be so stressful. So I'll just go with simple. I click on simple and then the name of the product. So I am adding now video course, how to design your e-commerce store. And then category is there. Regular price, you have to choose this if you're offering a discount or a promo. Maybe the regular price of your product is 5,000 naira and now you are offering a discount of maybe 2,000 naira. That is when you have to choose this. Okay, so if you choose this in your store, when people come, they're going to see this regular price. It will be slashed, then the selling price will be there. So if you are offering promo of any of our products, this is when you now choose the regular price. So I'm not going to choose that, and then I'll just go on and enter my selling price, which is 5,000 naira. Okay, so I just enter 5,000 naira. Then allow multiple quantity in cart. The person can add as many quantity as he or she wants to add. Now measurement is optional. You don't have to stress yourself for this. Description is optional too, but you can put your description so that people will understand more about your product. So I will just say this video course will teach you how to create an e-commerce website using your smartphone. And that is that. So you just put the description so people will get to know more about your product. And then this stock keeping unit, it shows whether your product, how many is still in, how many quantity or how many pieces of your product you have. Is optional. Then link for more details is still optional. If you want to add an external link to that product that people can click on to go and see more, then you can add it here, but I don't think it's necessary. Then when your product is out of stock, you can come here to toggle this inactive button. When you toggle it, it shows your product is out of stock and people can't buy it or purchase it. So if your product is not out of stock, you don't have business suites activating this. So I'll just toggle it off again. And right now our product is ready. So I'll just go ahead and click on create. All right, so I have successfully added. The next thing you would do is to add your product image. What we added now is the details. So the next thing you want to do is to add the product image. Click on image and then click on the plus sign here and then add photo. You can either take a photo or choose from your gallery or choose from your phone. So I'll choose from here. Select any random photo here. I'll just click on this and then you have to fit it into how you want and then you click on here. So this has added the product image already. The next thing you want to do is to add a badge. Okay, so you can add a badge to your product. So badges is signifies the kind of product that is. You can say flash price, whether the product is on flash price now or is a hot selling product or is out of stock or anything. So you just click here to add a badge. So once you click there, you have to enter the badge here, maybe flash price or hot selling. Anyway, then you choose a color for it and then you can also add an emoji. You can add an emoji. You can add an emoji. You can also go to the store to see how this badge is because it's different. The way it appears in this you can also go to the web version to see how the badge area appears because it's different. It's kind of different from this mobile app. So I could just select anything and then click on create. So you see it's now entered here. Then let's go to charges. No charges found. So I think we are done with this now. So once you're through with it, everything, you have completed everything, you'll cross check very well. You're going to click on save to save your product. All right, so our product is now saved. So this is how you go on. If you still want to add another product here, you click on the plus sign here, click on select simple and just follow the same procedure to add another product. If you are through with this category, you can go to the next category and start adding products under that same category. All right, so let's move to the next one. Okay, so badges are here now. Badges, these are the badges now, they are here. So if you want to add more badges, you can click here to add more badges. You see the one we created already. The flash price is here, is active. So you can choose to add more badges by clicking here, put the title, select the color you want and then create. Okay, so the next one is attributes. I think this one will apply to you if you selected variable for your product. If your product is a variable product that has to do with size, different sizes. So if your product is in different variables, maybe the sizes, colors, and the weight also, with the help of product attributes. You can create product variants. Attributes and its options are created at global level and can be used in all the products. So it depends. If you're using a variable product, then you can choose to add attributes. Now charges, under here, it depends if you're charging any extra money from your customer, maybe for anything, tax or all of that, you can include it here. Okay, if not, you just leave this. And then the next one is shipping. If you're adding your shipping fee, you just have to calculate it for them, add the location, then the charge calculation. If it's free delivery, you can also put that. And then shipping charges are optional, and then you click on create. So if you are dealing on physical products, I think this area will be for you. And then let's head on to the checkout area here. So you click on here. So here in this is minimum order. It simply means if you add this amount, now it means that when a customer comes to your store and buys anything below this price, they won't be able to check out. So I don't think you need this. So you just move on to the form area here. Click on the form area. So this is the checkout form details to ask from your customers while checking out. So these are details you can ask from your customers why they are checking out from your store. So you can choose to ask them their name, their email address. You can choose to ask them their address, depending if you are dealing on physical products that you are delivering. Okay, you can choose to ask them their address line or city, but for me, I'll just toggle on the name. I just need their name and their email address. You can choose their city or state. You can choose their state just to know where your customers are coming from. Okay, but I don't think you need this. So the name and email address are enough, and then you click on save. That has been successfully updated. Right now we're going to settings. Under settings, you can put a checkout note, a help note for customers from you. This will be shown above the place order button. So you can choose to put a help note for your customers, maybe on what you want them to do. Just put the note here. And once you're through, you click on save, and that will be it. Now let's go to WhatsApp. Here, WhatsApp checkout. Let your customers place an order via WhatsApp message without going through OTP verification process. So you just have to activate this. All right. Now, when you activate that, you're going to see this Vepaar official number recommended. Please do not toggle on this. Do not use this the way it is now, because if you do, when your customers place orders, it will go to this Vepaar official number. You wouldn't get the order. So what you would do is to click on your number. Okay, click on your number. That is the second option. When you click on it, you enter your phone number here, your WhatsApp number, and then click on save. You can choose to add another number if you wish, but one is okay. And then once you do, you click on save. Now that is settled, successfully updated. So you move on to mobile number. So it says allow customers to check out with their mobile number. While checking out, if user selects a payment gateway other than pay letter, we always ask for a mobile number. Status, okay. OTP verification. If enabled, we will send one-time password on customer's WhatsApp to verify before placing an order. So I think this one is okay for me. But if you want your customers to receive an OTP to verify their order before they check out, you can also toggle on this. Okay, but I'm not going to toggle on this. They will just have to place their order, and that is it. Okay, and then you click on save. Now this has been successfully set. So you are through with the checkout area now. So we'll go back to other things. So the next thing you want to do is to go to payments. Very important. You have to add a payment system or gateway to your store so that you'll be able to receive payment from your customers. So once I click on payments here, I'm going to get myself into this place. So different payment gateways has been provided by Vepaar. There is Stripe, there is Pay Letter, there's Pay Letter, there's Razorpay, there's Paystack, and also Flutterwave. I think this one was recently added, the Flutterwave. So I am going to show you Pay Letter. If you enable Pay Letter, it simply means that when your customers come to your store, they are going to place order and then they are going to pay later. They just place their order and they're not going to pay. All right. So let's look at how you enable it. You can click on no. Okay, let's click on, you click on settings. When you click on settings, you just enable it. You can change this name. You can change this name. This pay letter name here. You can choose to add any name you like. Place your order now. Place your order now. So you can choose to change this. Okay, you can change the pay letter to another thing. And then here's the description. Place order quickly, pay at your convenience. Then you save. If you want your customers to pay at their convenience whenever they want, you can put that. But if you don't want, just put the instruction you want them to follow. And that is that for pay letter. Now, next two payment gateways you can use is Paystack and Flutterwave. I have a separate video tutorial where I recorded a video on how to create a Paystack account and also integrate it to your Vepaar account, Vepaar, or to your store. So I wouldn't be showing you how to do that in this video. I'll add a link to that video at the end of this particular video so you can get to see it and watch it from there. Also, Flutterwave, I've not created a video tutorial on how to integrate Flutterwave to your store, but I will do that, and once I do, I'll also let you know. So do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you always get notified whenever I put out tutorials. So that is that. Your Paystack, you need to configure it. You see it's saying not configured. So all you have to do is just to click on settings here and then click on enable. If you click on enable, you are going to see everything about it. When you create your Paystack account, you will see a publishable key there and also a secret key. You're going to copy those things and enter them here differently. You're going to copy this one and enter it to your Paystack account, webhook account, and then click on save. That way everything will be enabled. That is how you integrate it. That video will teach you how to do all this. So that is that. So we are back here. This last one says settings. So let me click on it. Settings. So this is activated. You can turn it off if you want to disable your store. So whenever you think you don't need your store again, you can come here and disable your store. But we still need it. So your business name, your store name is, my store name is Amara, Igbokwe. And then I use Nigerian Naira. I'm going to save it here. So that is all, right? So that is it. Here you will see polls and here you see integrations. Let's look at it. Let's take a tour into this, but I'm not using this. My main focus here is in this store area and then this my business area. Those two are where I focus mainly on. So this post, let's take a look inside and see what is there. Okay, it's just you creating posts and sending to your contacts that you have saved here. If you are using the CRM, that is the customer relationship management tools. And then this one, integrations. Okay, you can even integrate Facebook pixels. Is an analytic tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. So you can use this to actually run ads. Okay, so you just copy your Facebook pixel and configure it into this place, so you can run ads with this website. It can become your landing page. You see, you can use this to run ads, even Google ads too. So that is it. If you're using this for Facebook ads, then this is when the Facebook pixel will be important to you. You can configure it here. Let's click on configure. So if you're configuring it, that means you copy your pixel ID from Facebook, paste it here and click on save. So whatever action people take on Facebook or take on your advertisement or take inside your store, it will be recorded, and the traffic you drive in and the people who visit your store and all of that, it's going to be saved. So next time you can retarget them. All right, so that is all for this tutorial. I believe I've been able to explain everything, but if there is nothing if there is something I did not explain, just let me know in the comments. Once you are through designing your store, the next thing you should do is visit the store. So let's go see what we have done right now. So where I will click is on this arrow here. So if I click on this, then I'll have to visit the store through my web browser. You see this is amazing. This is the cover photo we added. This is the profile image, and you see this, you see the phone number, you see the one, this is where all your social links will appear, and then all the numbers you added will appear here. Your address will appear here. You see Enugu, Nigeria. I love it appearing this way, so it will appear here. Now let's go to the store area. The store area, you see the different categories I created. You see wristwatch here, though I didn't add any products to it. You see video courses. You see this one I added. You see book. I didn't add anything on book. So assuming a customer comes in here now, they'll just click on your product, add to cart. All right. So if they want to see full details of this product, they just click on it. And here it is. Here is that little details I added. This video course will teach you how to create e-commerce website using your smartphone. So I'll just click back, and then when you come to back, you move so the customer can actually pick as many of these products as he or she wants. So if I click on this plus sign here, another product adds. If I click on it again, it adds again. So I'm just going to go with one, and then I click on the cart area. In here, you see the sum total of everything, and this is it here. So I'll just click on continue here, and then you see the pay letter. We have not added any payment gateway, so please click on the video at the end of this particular video so that you see how to add pay stack to this store. Okay, so you just click on here because it's only pay letter that is here. Then I'll just have to enter my name, and then email address. So I've added name and email address. I'll just click on continue here, and you see that we will redirect you to WhatsApp to send a message. The message contains your order details, so make sure you send it to place your order. So I'll just click here and place order, and that is it. My order has been placed, and the store owner will receive this order. So if the customer wants to chat with you, the customer can just click here right now and get started chatting with you. And that is all about this, how this works. But if there's a payment gateway here, the customer will simply have to click on pay stack and make their payment immediately. So that is how this store works. If you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and also share with others. Leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know that you learned something, and let me know that this video was helpful. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel up till now, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever I put out amazing video tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.